All right, so on a rational expression division problem, we're going to be, actually first I want to mention here, you see all these terms, all four terms, they are all monomials. So the rules that we're doing, everything that we're doing right now only applies to monomials. Okay, so the way that you divide fractions, I don't know if you remember this from middle school sometime, but you're going to be keeping the first fraction the same. You'll change this to a division symbol, and then you're going to change that by flipping it. So same, change, flip. All right? Same, change, flip. That's what you're going to be doing. So the first fraction will stay over 4x squared. You'll change that to a multiplication, and then you're flipping your second fraction. Now on this one, I'm going to simplify it a little differently here. It's just so it's not very difficult to do. So you've got an x up top that will cancel with an x on bottom, leaving you 1x on the bottom. Now you can also cross cancel. So this 1x here will cancel with that x there. So there's no more x's. 6 and 4 will simplify. You can divide them both by 2. All right, so if you divide this by 2, you'll get 3. Divide that by 2, and you'll get 2. And that's all you can do. 5 and 3 won't cross simplify, so you're done. You can just multiply straight across. 3 times 1 gives you 3, and then 2 times 5 gives you 10. All right, moving on. All right, so to start off, we've got a division. We will go ahead and same change flip. So 15xy to the fourth over 24x to the third. Change this to multiplication, and we're going to be flipping our second fraction. 16x is up top, 12x to the fourth, y to the seventh. All right, let's do this one like we did the multiplication problems. All right, so we've got our numbers and our letters. On our letters, we've got x and an x, so that's x squared, y to the fourth, that's it. On bottom, you've got 3x's and 4x's. That'll give us 7x's, and then just a y to the seventh. All right, for our numbers, we've got to figure out 15 times 16 times 16. That's 240 up top. For the bottom, we're going to do 24 times 12, 288. All right, so to finish this problem off, let's simplify 240 over 88. So 240 divided by 288. And then we're going to convert that to a fraction, math, and then the fraction button. So we get 5 over 6. So 5 over 6. And then you'll notice for our variables, 2 of these x's will cancel with 2 of those x's. So that's going to leave us 5 of them in the denominator. And for our y's, 4 of those cancels with 4 of those. So you get 3 left over in the denominator. And that's all.